In this video, I will show you how to facilitate a repair which is not an RMA. So anything that's not an RMA and an exchange. First, log into Lightspeed. Choose the store you're working from. In this case, I'll use Soho as an example. Push service. New work order. Verify your PIN code. And now you can either search or you can create a new client by filling out this and pushing create new customer. In this case, I'll use an existing client card which is now used. And important here is to not add a SKU number but to add a miscellaneous line. Describe the product. Hit save. And up here in notes you can apply the error the client is experiencing. So I'll just put in a random description. And in order to finalize this, I hit checkout. And now we have an open work order. When you want to find this work order again, you can go back into service, push work orders, and in here you have all your open work orders. And in order to finalize this work order, you can go back in and you can hit check out. I don't have any amount, so but I have to push payment and finish sales. So now we have a receipt for the client to give back out. Remember to watch the video on how to fill out the retail service requests.